Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the formal letter in Hindi, which is the Aupcharik Patra. Friends, please subscribe my channel because I'm stuck on 70 subscribers and I really want more subscribers. I want to reach more people. So please share it with your friends, neighbors, your juniors, and please subscribe my channel. It's for free, okay? So without wasting any time, let's start. Your exams are fast approaching. And yes, please do confirm the format with your teacher because sometimes the format changes every year. So I had answered 12th standard last year, and this can be used for 10th standard also, but just see your format which your teacher has given. But I am going to provide you with the idea so you will be able to write the letter. Okay, so when you write the letter, you have to be in the place of the person. Suppose they tell you write the letter about garbage in your city. So you have to imagine that there is garbage in your city and you are facing problems. It is smelling or it's dirty, there are flies. You have to imagine certain things to make your letter more creative. Okay, and that has to come in the second paragraph. Okay, or if they tell you anything with the school, then you have to imagine, use your creativity. Okay, but while using your creativity, be very careful that your spellings are correct and you're grammatically correct, and you don't write a big letter. See the limit and do it properly. Okay, let's start. Krishna Kunj, Panji Ford, Madgaon, Goa. So this is the address. K. Anil, Anita Fernandez. So there are two names. Boys will pick Anil Fernandez, girls will pick Anita Fernandez. को बहुत दिनों से पानी नहीं मिल रहा. So what is the problem? पानी नहीं मिल रहा means water shortage. इस पानी की समस्या को दूर करने के लिए वह मुख्य अधिकारी मडगांव नगर पालिका के नाम पत्र लिखती है. मुख्य अधिकारी मडगांव नगर पालिका. So this is the sender Anita and the receiver is मुख्य अधिकारी मडगांव नगर पालिका. Okay, yes, so let's start. Anita Fernandez, Krishna Kunj, Panji Ford, Madgaon. So here they have first written the sender's name, means your name. Your name is, don't go and write your name, write the name which they have given in the question. Anita Fernandez, Krishna Kunj, Panji Ford, Madgaon. Here they have finished it in 3 lines, but at our time it was in 4 lines. So you see what is your format. So the first is the writer, means our address. First is our name and our address. Then you have to leave one line. After leaving the line, write the date, 12 March 2016. For us, it was allowed to write the numbers in English. Okay. And when they give you the date, see that you write the easy spelling. Don't go to write very difficult spellings. But see the occasion also. If it is some problem related to season and all, then you all might not be able to write any date. It might be that the gutters are overflowing in rain. So you all can't write March there, okay? So you have to be alert. You have to have presence of mind. And don't get nervous while doing the writing section, okay? 12 March 2016. So here you write Mananiya Mukhyadhikari means the receiver. You're sending it to this person. Mananiya Mukhyadhikari, Madgaon Nagar Palika, Madgaon, Goa. So this is given. Nagar Mukhyadhikari, Madgaon Nagar Palika. So you have to remember this. Mananiya Mukhyadhikari, Madgaon Nagar Palika, Madgaon, Goa. Then again you leave the line and you write your Vishay. Vishay means topic. So we are underline this. पानी नहीं मिल रहा. So you are writing पानी की समस्या के संदर्भ में. This usually comes as an additional. Like after conjunction is like of 2 sentences, no? So this is like always it comes. पानी की समस्या के संदर्भ में. के संदर्भ में means with respect to. This you use in maths, no? With respect to. So like that you can remember. पानी की समस्या के संदर्भ में. Mahashay. Mahashay, if you all don't want, you all can write Mohoday. Ma is ha, ma is full, ho, the ya. You all can write Mohoday. Okay, so after Vishesh, Mohoday. मैं मडगांव में पणजी फोर्ड में रहती हूँ. So you have to tell, I live in Panji, I live in Kalangut, I live in Kortalim. So like that. मैं मड़गांव पंजीफोड़ में रहती हूँ. Because it's पानी नहीं मिल रहा है ना. So it's of a particular locality. इस पत्र द्वारा through this letter एक महत्वपूर्ण one important thing की ओर आपका ध्यान खींचना चाहती हूँ. I want to bring your attention to the one important thing. So here in the first paragraph, they are just telling us some basic thing. They're not introducing the main problem. Okay. Panji Ford means in our locality. हमेशा here in the second paragraph, you have to introduce your problem with details. पंजी फड़ में हम हमेशा पानी की समस्या रहती है. मड़गांव के शेष हिस्सों में पानी मिल रहा है. मीन्स देयर इज प्रॉब्लम ओनली इन आर लोकेलिटी. अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ मड़गांव हैव इनफ वाटर. लेकिन हमें पानी से वंचित है. वंचित मीन्स वी आर नॉट गेटिंग वाटर. यू कैन राइट नहीं मिल रहा. 8 दिन हो गए. सो देयर 8 days हैव पास. पानी की समस्या जो कि त्यों है. मीन्स 8 days हैव पास. स्टिल अ प्रॉब्लम इज जस्ट लाइक दैट. देयर इज नोबडी लुकिंग एट इट. पूछने पर जवाब मिलता है पाइपलाइन ठीक नहीं है. If we ask them, then they say pipeline is not okay and maramat means they are repairing it. So here you have to give an explanation saying that you told the authorities but it fell on deaf ears, or they are just giving you any type of bahana and they're not listening to you. So you have to tell that also. 2-4 दिनों के बाद एक आध दिन पानी मिलता है. They are saying you get water after 2-4 days. हम यह जानना चाहते हैं कि बार बार पाइपलाइन कैसे टूटती है. सो दे आर आस्किंग हाउ इज दिस दैट अगेन एंड अगेन योर पाइपलाइन इज ब्रेकिंग. इफ अगर वो पुरानी हो गई है तो उसे बदलवा क्यों नहीं देते. वाई डोंट यू चेंज इट इफ इट्स गेटिंग स्पॉइल्ड. अगर इसी तरह से पानी की समस्या आगे भी जारी रही तो कोई ठोस कदम उठाने के लिए हम बाध्य हो जाएंगे. इफ यू ऑल डोंट लिसन वी हैव टू टेक स्ट्रिक्टर एक्शन एंड वी विल बी फोर्स्ड टू डू दैट. आशा है आप हमारी मुश्किलें समझे और तुरंत ही इस दिशा में उचित कार्यवाही करेंगे. So I hope that you will listen to our problem and take the necessary action or do the needful. So Bhavadiya, for boys it is Bhavadiya, for girls it's Bhavadiya. Bhavadiya means it should depend on the gender of the Mukhya Adhikari. If it was a school principal and if she was a female, you could have written Bhavadiya. Okay. Then ST means signature and then your name in bracket. Anita Fernandez. Okay. So this is how it is. Please confirm the format with your teacher. I'm telling you again. So there might be other type of letters also. Here see. गांव के बच्चों के लिए पुस्तकालय खोलने का निवेदन करते हुए. Means you want a library to be opened in your village so that students can read it. So बच्चों के लिए पुस्तकालय और बच्चों के लिए पुस्तकालय खोलने के संदर्भ में. So it's the same thing. See, and you can read this for your reference. Pause the video and read this if you want. And just because you might not know big words, don't get scared, because sometimes you write it simple but creative and you get the full marks, whatever you can get maximum. खेल का मैदान बनवाने के लिए this is. Okay, so you all can try this letter for homework and see if you can solve it. This one. Okay, best of luck. I hope you all liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe.